thinking, do this wall as the accent color or this one? I might do this one. I like this wood trim. It's kind of flat. Let me see. We walk in, blue. I just saying the blue will go nice with that wood. That's real nice. That white gonna make it pop.
It would have been cold if that wall right there wasn't there.
Which one?
This wall right here. Going straight in.
Oh yeah, that would be dope, right? Cause the closet right here. You probably could have knocked it down, but it ain't in the budget. That would have been dope though. But them, that wood look fly. The wood trim around the windows, that look dope. You don't know nothing about that. Oh, you did that? What? The AC. Yeah. Oh, you did? Huh? You did? Yeah. Oh, I didn't know.
That wasn't there. That's why I didn't know what you were talking about. I wasn't in the film.
No, I was just saying it's dripping on the window, so actually it's dripping down the whole wall.
It's dripping in the wall?
Yeah. It's soaking wet right here. I mean, I don't care about the floor, but this will bubble up.
Well, it might mess the floor up underneath.
That's true.
You gotta have like a hose and
all you gotta do is put a bucket under there.
No, I gotta raise it up more from here, for it could shoot the water down back instead of coming in.
Oh, well at least you know.
We still gotta get this man over here.
Oh, Joe, with his annoying ass. That is right. I forgot about that. This look like it's worth something, man. What is this? Old school record player. What is Jerry in there listening to, man? So I'm gonna start buying that from now on.
Yeah, you save a lot of money.
Hell yeah.
And this is the color that you brought for the walls. I'm already started cutting.
Where?
There's right here. There's the first coat right
This?
there.
I can't tell the difference.
It's gonna be a little bit shiny.
Oh, eggshell? Yeah.
It got one coat, so as soon as we do the two coats, it's gonna look brighter.
Okay, so, well, whatever we mix, cause you got 5-gallon bucket, right?
Hey, you got more stuff in the bin?
Yeah, just little cans. I can get them.
Echa eso allí a la basura y abájate los botes que trae este güey en la troca. Yes, sir.
So, how much 5 gallons do? And just do this area, probably this room and that room.
What do you mean?
The 5-gallon bucket of paint.
Here, and here, in the hallway.
Oh, you can do the hallways?
And maybe the room. One room.
I was gonna say.
Or you want to do the rooms different?
I was gonna say whatever we mix, we can put in the rooms and upstairs.
Okay. Yeah, why not?
If it's enough.
Yeah.
Or I forgot about the bathroom.
I got a muddy.
Yeah, I see. Well, you don't gotta mud the shower. But I guess you can put the color in here too. Whatever we got left. One of the things broke. I didn't even notice, but I can buy that from Home Depot.
Yeah.
This thing right here. It's nice in here. Oh, let me show you I'll show you the light switches I was telling you about. They match this.
Oh.
The covers. We partner, so whenever somebody calls me,
This is for your wife.
I need half.
This is for you.
You got good quality. Where you get these from?
This is for her. Another one.
She got 2 while I get 1. Or you want to give it to my daughter?
This is for you.
Oh, sweet.
And this is for your partner. Oh, and this is the paper that he never took.
Oh, did you sign it already?
No.
What do you get? $27.50. Okay.
What do you mean?
Hold my camera. Thank you, sir. This wet?
No.
Green?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I did it. You know what I was thinking? But it doesn't matter. We got tile already. But remember that thing we did on the fireplace? On Wade?
Mm-hmm.
There's enough of those left to just do a little small backsplash.
The thing is, they're gonna complain that it's hard to clean.
To clean?
Yeah.
Is it?
Yeah.
But the stove's over here. Damn. Was the refrigerator that tall?
No, it was some cabinets there.
Oh.
Yeah.
So it was a short fridge. I bought a bucket. I got a bucket of screws too. Another bucket. I don't know what kind they are, but it's in the van. I'll get it. And I got
You didn't have no valves here, but oh shit, he threw the fucking seat away, man. So now, where's the evidence for you can pay me?
The receipt, was it yellow?
Yeah.
I just seen it. I think he got it. It was right here.
It's the yellow paper you got.
No. I just wrote on it in a pencil. I wrote a name on it. Your boy got it.
Mario, agarraste un papelito de aquí. ¿Dónde está?
Oh, hijo de su chingada.
¿Dónde está? Maldita droga.
Oh yeah. Here we go, Jerry. Perfect.
Oh shit, yeah. And then we just put a clear stain and that's it. A clear coat.
Yeah, that matched perfectly.
Yeah.
See that? Ooh. And I got the double too. I only got 2 doubles because I didn't know how many.
It's just that one, no?
I think so.
All in one, I think.
One
No,
in
you
the-
got 2.
Been in the bathroom. Yeah. Boom. Go right with that. Okay, well you can give it back to him. I owe you $20 or $17.
I didn't bought this one because I had them already, so.
I bet this
I'm thinking I'm gonna get another one.
this probably worth some money, Jerry.
Yeah. This house is the.
That's what?
I make a bad deal with you.
You made a bad deal?
Yeah.
Why you say that?
Anthony.
Huh?
This is 3 dumpsters. This is 1,500.
Can give you a deal?
15. Hell no. It's 1,500, and I thinking I'm gonna get another one.
Nah, you should probably not get another one.
Look,
Just put it.
Stuff that we got, see all the wood we got in the garage.
You can fit
And
that.
we gotta put all the carpet.
Well, you should put the small stuff in there, and then the big stuff put on the curb, cause they'll take it. As long as it's not a bunch of little tiny stuff, they'll take the like that radio, whatever that is. They'll take that. They'll take this table. They'll take all that. That table actually, somebody will get it. People still use these.
What about that chimney?
Put that over there on Kilbourne. You mean the fireplace?
Yeah. You want me to take it away?
I don't know. Does it work?
It's gas. It works.
I would have to paint it. Or
For what? It looks good. It's natural color.
It's black.
No? You racist or what?
I'm just saying it don't match. If it was, I don't know. I guess yeah, you can put it over there. But there's nowhere to plug it in, and it got a cord. You don't have no gas over there, so it won't work. You can just sell it or throw it away, I guess, or keep it.
I mean, like this, I never saw one like this. So this one, I'm pretty sure it worth some money.
It's probably is. Those go in like cabins and stuff, log cabins or whatever. I mean, you can use it wherever you want.
This is good, like for your garage.
Yeah,
like in the winter, you can sit outside in your garage.
But you gotta have a gas connection or a gas line. Yeah, you gotta put one in your garage.
You just put the propane.
Oh yeah, you could do that
And
too.
that's it.
I'm scared of propane. Yep. Dakota gonna have to tuck point that. That look like something off Saw. You ever seen that movie Saw? It look like something off the movie Saw.
This is a 45 machine. You can do 45s with it.
Why don't you keep it? It's a classic. Can't do nothing with it. This still in the plastic. What is this?
Fish. Still fish.
I don't know nothing about fishing. My uncle fishes though. Maybe I should give it to him.
I don't know nothing about fish.
I know how to buy it. Fresh Prince. Oh yeah, let me mix some paint. Huh? There you go, Brusky. Looking good, Jetty.
Yeah.
Word.
I learned it from you.
Well, you owe me. He gonna say, oh.
Take it over.
Oh, haircut. Line up. Watch out. Everything's nice and white. Nice and white. Yeah. Ugh, flies. Yeah, nice and white. Gonna need another coat on this. That wall. Huh? Come on, my friend. It does. Damn, what's up with all the flies? Huh? No. They took the carpet up. Got a long way to go with the water, we call it wallpaper. I like that blue wall, that blue accent wall. Need another coat. I said, we need another coat. Ain't no light in here? That's weird.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah. Right there. It's all good.
You know what I was gonna do? Just leave it one coat for you can see the white. I was like, no.
No, I don't want to see that.
Yeah. Well, as soon as I get the other coat, it's gonna get a little bit hard.
Need a light in here, bro.
Nah, it's good like that.
Think so?
You got a lot of windows.
Yeah, but this thing, this awning, takes out all the sunlight. And the trees, too. It's nice and cold today. That wall? Gray? Gray is depressing. You feel me? I like these floors, though. What we doing down here, Jared? Let's go see. Come on. Mm-hmm. It's clean. Nice and clean.
What do you want to do with this? Is it gonna stay like this?
What? These things? You can leave them, I guess.
We cannot take them off. If I take them off, I gotta take this.
Oh, no. You can leave those for sure. They holding up this. Probably.
No, they're not holding that, but they're holding this.
Right, yeah, you can leave them. That's cool. Nobody looking at that. Probably hammer the nails, I guess.
Yeah, and this one, I'm just gonna cut it. That way we can get it.
Oh, okay. Cause they don't know. People throw away stuff all the time. They don't know that that has value. Yeah. Oh yeah. I ain't even seen that. Let me check it out. Why am I not getting no signal? Bro. What's your favorite house that you have right now? Favorite? The one over there on Kilbourne we about to go to in a minute. My favorite one. Damn. Is it the most done or you got the most? I'm sure I'm gonna make the most money off of it once I sell it. This house? Probably like 120. Kilbourne? Well, I can say this. It's a house like four or five houses down the street from the one I got that sold for 190. Exact same specs. Three bedroom, 1.5 bath. It's 1,400 square feet. That's exactly the same everything. You get all of it. You gotta. I don't have no mortgages. I buy all the houses cash. Ain't no mortgage on none of them. What you mean? They get paid up front. They get paid before the house gets sold. What did I just do with it?
Anthony, what are you gonna use here? Because yesterday I didn't understand exactly what you said.
Okay. No, I was just asking how much, like each. I know we had some boxes left over.
We got three.
Of the same kind?
The same kind.
What is it? White?
So we got we got each box it covers 16 square footage. So we got three. So that's 40 square footage.
So you can do the bathroom.
The floor?
Yeah.
Yeah, but it's the slippery. It don't matter.
To me, no, I don't care. Put some carpet down or whatever. The little bathroom carpet things. And well, it wouldn't fit in here though, right? Because this is what?
We're gonna need more. We're gonna need like another 4 boxes.
Yeah, that's what I said. You need 90. But in the bathroom it'll work.
We should have enough.
For the bathroom.
Yes.
What the and then the backsplash, I was thinking about using the blue tile that we already got for the backsplash.
Okay, perfect.
And then I'll just have to get tile for here. You say 90 square feet, right?
And what about for the inside of the shower, the walls?
I have to get tile for that too. I'm about to go over there.
The key is the same one for the back for all the doors.
Okay. I'm about to go over there, take a couple pictures of the kitchen and the bathroom upstairs. I'm gonna go to the back, and then I can put coming soon.
Anthony.
Yo.
Tomorrow, please, when you go over there, you got blue tape.
Do I? Yeah.
Do the same thing than wait, you know.
Oh, okay, yeah.
That way, I can go tomorrow, or if you got some in your van or no, I'll
tape.
Give you one.
You can give me some now. I don't need much. Cool beans.
You ready to wait or no?
Waiting on the process. I got a buyer, but you know, it's FHA. I'm gonna leave this on the kitchen counter.
Don't forget.
I am. I'm gonna put it everywhere.
But don't put too much, okay? Don't hit the side.
Okay.